Irish Water is a large user of GIS for various different areas of the business. It's a geographical information system which spatially shows your above ground and below ground assets. If you think where we started off with no data. And we relied on the local authorities who provided us with abundant amount of data. We then had to put that into a national system and make it available for users. We now make that available to other users that never would have thought to look at things spatially.
Causeway Coast and Glens Borough Council was formed in 2015 after a merger of 4 councils. I think the biggest challenge is the amount of information that's out there, and what GIS does is it helps us to compress all the different information channels into a single source so that the data can be used, can be analysed as a basis for making intelligent decisions. It's adding huge value across this organisation, and it's saving money and improving services for our local ratepayers.
So going forward, we aim to roll out GIS throughout the organisation to the different service areas, improving their data, and over time being able to analyse that data and perform better insights to make better decisions.
We were looking for a system to move away from paperwork and to try and improve productivity. We find the Esri system has shaved about 10 minutes off a vessel turnaround time, which hopefully will equate to about €250,000 a year in savings.
Cartomap, which is the web-based GIS from Esri, is probably the second most used application in Northern Ireland Water after email. We have some 1,300 employees. We need to know about assets, we need to know where they are, we need to know how they're performing. Survey 123 allows us to go out and rapidly collect data about those assets and return it back to the corporate system for analysis.
The GIS system has become a really important tool in terms of the effectiveness, the speed, and hopefully the quality of decision making as well.
We now have numbers of maps going from nearly every section in the council, from finance, property management. We're even using it for tourism to promote the Greenway and to really bring and engage staff as well.
Dublin Airport it's a big campus, it's a big place, and we have a huge volume of passengers, 32 million this year. And understanding how people are interacting with the facility, where they are, and all of the moving parts of our own equipment and facilities is increasingly important as we push more passengers through the facility.
Asset management is looking after all of the assets here at Dublin Airport, everything from where passengers arrive in the car parks, right through the terminal buildings, security systems, baggage systems, through the main terminal building, the gates that we have, and then out onto the airfield, which are our more linear assets with the runways, taxiways and the various stands that are associated with that.